2040 isn't science fiction anymore. Right now, in labs and startups around the world, the technologies that will define the next 2 decades are already being built. Some are being tested in hospitals. Some are flying over cities. Some are already inside people's bodies. In less than 15 years, your everyday life could look completely different. The way you get diagnosed when you're sick, the way you travel, the way you understand your own future. Today, we're counting down 10 technologies that will exist by 2040, starting with the ones that will quietly change your daily routine, and ending with one that could redefine what it means to know yourself. Let's get into it. We start with something that's already taking shape: AI doctors. By 2040, artificial intelligence won't just assist doctors. In many cases, it will be the first line of diagnosis. Imagine describing your symptoms to an AI system that has effectively seen millions of cases before yours. It cross-references your symptoms, your medical history, your genetics, and even real-time data from wearable sensors on your body. The result: diagnoses that used to take days of tests and specialist visits could happen in minutes. This doesn't mean human doctors disappear. It means they get a powerful second opinion that never gets tired, never forgets a detail, and has access to the entire body of medical research in real time. For people in rural areas or countries with limited access to specialists, this could be the difference between catching a disease early or too late. Next, robot assistants in the home. We're not talking about a vacuum that bumps into your furniture. By 2040, household robots could fold your laundry, cook basic meals, tidy up, and even keep an eye on elderly family members, alerting someone if a fall happens or medication is missed. These robots will combine advanced dexterity with AI that understands context, not just pick up the object, but notice the room is messy and organized the way this household usually likes it. For aging populations in countries like Japan, Italy, and much of Europe, this isn't a luxury. It's becoming a necessity. Robot assistants could be one of the key technologies that let people live independently for longer. Now things start getting more futuristic: brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. The idea is simple to say and mind-bending to imagine: controlling devices directly with your thoughts. A signal from your brain, decoded by a chip or external sensor, turned into an action on a screen, a robotic arm, or a wheelchair. By 2040, this technology could move beyond its current medical use, helping paralyzed patients communicate or move again, and into broader applications. Typing without a keyboard, controlling a computer without touching it, even communicating complex ideas faster than speech allows. It's one of the technologies with the biggest potential and the biggest ethical questions. Who owns the data from your brain? That's a conversation we'll need to have long before this becomes mainstream. Number 7. The quantum internet. Today's internet runs on classical bits, ones and zeros that can, in theory, be intercepted. A quantum internet uses the principles of quantum mechanics to transmit information in a way that's practically impossible to intercept without detection. If someone tries to eavesdrop on a quantum encrypted message, the very act of observing it changes the data, alerting both sides that something is wrong. By 2040, we could see quantum networks connecting governments, banks, hospitals, and eventually regular users, creating a new standard for privacy and security in a world where cyber attacks are only getting more sophisticated. Technology number 6 is one that could save millions of lives: artificial, lab-grown organs. Right now, organ transplant waiting lists are long, and the shortage of donors is a global crisis. Every day, people die waiting for a kidney, a liver, a heart that never arrives in time. By 2040, bioprinting technology could change that equation completely. Here's how it could work. Doctors take a small sample of patients' own cells, multiply them in a lab, and load them into a 3D bioprinter, a machine that doesn't print plastic or metal, but layers of living tissue. Layer by layer, it builds a functioning organ, complete with the blood vessel networks needed to keep it alive once it's implanted. Because the organ is grown from the patient's own cells, the body doesn't see it as foreign. That means no immune rejection and, just as importantly, No need for the lifelong anti-rejection drugs that transplant patients currently depend on, drugs that come with their own serious side effects. Simpler tissues, skin grafts, cartilage, blood vessels, are already being bioprinted experimentally today. The real breakthrough between now and 2040 will be scaling this up to complex, vascularized organs like kidneys, livers, and hearts, which need intricate internal structures to actually function inside the body. If this happens at scale, transplant medicine stops being a race against time and a lottery of donor availability. It becomes something closer to a scheduled procedure. Order the organ, grow it, implant it. For the hundreds of thousands of people currently on transplant lists worldwide, that shift alone could be one of the most significant medical advances of a century. Halfway through the list, and this one could change the entire global economy: fusion energy. Unlike the nuclear fission we use today, fusion doesn't produce long-lived radioactive waste, and it doesn't carry the same meltdown risks. It works by fusing atoms together, the same process that powers the sun, releasing enormous amounts of clean energy. Several companies and national labs are racing to make fusion commercially viable, and many experts believe we could see working fusion power plants by the 2035 to 2040 window. If it happens, it means something extraordinary: energy that's clean, safe, and practically unlimited. That could reshape everything from electricity prices to the climate crisis itself. Number 4 isn't just flying cars, it's autonomous air taxis. By 2040, cities could have networks of electric, self-piloting aircraft that take off vertically, avoiding traffic entirely. Think less personal flying car in your garage, and more on-demand air taxi you summon from an app. Several companies are already testing prototypes today. The real breakthrough by 2040 won't just be the vehicles. It'll be the AI traffic management systems capable of coordinating thousands of aircraft safely over dense cities, something no human air traffic controller could do alone. Commuting across a city in minutes instead of hours might stop being a luxury and start being normal. At number 3, AI systems that don't just assist scientists, they become scientists. By 2040, artificial intelligence could independently form hypotheses, design experiments, and analyze results, discovering new drugs, new materials, and new solutions to problems that have stumped human researchers for decades. We're already seeing early versions of this. AI systems that have proposed new antibiotic candidates or identified new material structures in a fraction of the time it would take a human team. By 2040, this could be standard practice in pharmaceutical and materials research, compressing what used to take years into weeks. Number 2 might be the most sci-fi entry on this list, but it's closer than you think. Nanobots inside your body. We're talking about machines measured in nanometers, thousands of times smaller than human hair. Small enough to travel through your bloodstream like tiny submarines navigating a river of red blood cells. Some would work as scouts, constantly patrolling your body, sampling your blood chemistry, and reporting back through a wearable or implanted receiver the moment something looks abnormal. A tumor forming, an infection spreading, an artery narrowing. Not caught in a checkup once a year, but flagged in real time at the earliest possible moment. Others would work as surgeons at the cellular level. Instead of a hospital procedure to clear a blocked artery, imagine a swarm of nanobots physically breaking down the plaque from the inside, atom by atom. Instead of chemotherapy that attacks healthy cells along with cancerous ones, imagine nanobots that recognize cancer cells specifically by their unique molecular markers and deliver a lethal dose of medication only to them, leaving surrounding healthy tissue completely untouched. This precision is the real revolution. Most of today's medicine is systemic. A pill goes into your bloodstream and reaches your entire body. Even the 99% of it that doesn't need treatment. Nanobots could make medicine hyper-targeted. The right treatment in the right place, in the right dose, and nowhere else. By 2040, early versions of this could already be in clinical use. Starting with targeted cancer treatment and blood clot removal, the applications closest to being medically viable today. The more ambitious vision, a constant, invisible health monitoring system living inside your bloodstream 24/7, is further out, but it's the direction this technology is heading. It's preventative medicine taken to its most extreme and most powerful form, catching disease not when you feel sick, but before a single symptom ever appears. And that brings us to number 1, your digital twin. Imagine a digital copy of you, not just a photo or an avatar, but a living model that tracks and simulates your health, your work, your home, your finances, and your habits. This digital twin wouldn't just record data about your life. It would simulate decisions before you make them. Thinking about changing your diet, your digital twin could model the likely impact on your health 5 years down the line. Considering a career change, it could simulate how that decision ripples through your finances and your daily routine. By constantly learning from your real-world data, your sleep, your spending, your stress levels, this digital twin could predict problems before they happen. A health issue forming, a financial risk building, a burnout coming. It's the ultimate personalization technology, not a tool you use, but a model of you that helps you make better decisions before you even face them. Out of everything on this list, this is a technology that could change daily life the most, because it's not about a device or a machine. It's about understanding yourself with a level of clarity that's never existed before. So here's a question for you. If you could bring only one of these technologies into today's world, which one would you choose? Would it be the AI doctor that catches an illness early? The fusion energy that solves the climate crisis? Or the digital twin that helps you avoid your own worst mistakes before you make them? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see which one resonates with you the most. Subscribe, because the future is arriving much faster than most people realize.